AMC 10A 2023, problem 17. Let ABCD be a rectangle with AB 30 and BC 28. Okay, so it will be something like this. If I want to show, for example, 30, and let's consider, for example, 31.5, and this one 1.4. So it will be something like this. And this one is A, because AB is 30, so we can call this one AB, this one C, this one D. It says P and Q. P on BC, Q on CD, respectively, such that what? APB, this triangle, PCQ, this triangle, and QDA, this triangle, have integer length. What is the perimeter of these vortices? Okay, what's the perimeter of APQ? Okay, so here we can consider this AB is we can use assumption. From assumption is 30. This one is 28. Let's consider this one as A, this one as B, this one as C, this one as D, this one as E, F, G. Okay. Now let's work on these two triangles that we know one side length. 30 squared equals A squared plus I'm sorry, 30 squared plus, by using Pythagorean theorem, plus A squared equals E squared. Now we use 30 squared equals A squared minus A squared, E squared minus A squared. One idea, Pythagorean theorem. I said before, exam useful. One idea using AN minus BN factorization in general. Okay. Now here we can say it is E minus A times E plus A. Now 30, because E minus A and E plus A, both of them were odd or even, both of them odd or both of them even. So because this part is even, odd times odd will be odd. Contradiction, so both of them should be even. Now we can say what? Because both of them are even, if we check the cases, it is 2 times something, it is 2 times something. 30 squared is what? Is 2 squared, this 2 squared because of these 2's, and then 15 squared. 15 squared is what? Is 3 times. 3 times 5 times 5. Okay, now we should consider the smaller one should be here. So if we consider, for example, here 3 here, it will be 3 times 5 times 5. We have problem. Why? Because when you subtract E plus A, for example, E plus A is 2 times, let me contradict one case, and then we can contradict other case quickly. 2 times 3. Then when we subtract, subtract 2A equals 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 minus 3. And we cancel 2. So 3 times 5 times 5, this one. 75 minus 3, 72. Is it possible? No, because A is at most 28. Okay, so their difference should be at most 28. So 3 not possible. Also, if you say 5, 3 times 3 times 5, it will be 45, 5, 40. A will be 40, but A should be at most 25, 28. So if you consider 15, 15, it's not good for a smaller one. 9. 925 only works. Okay, so we can conclude E minus A is 2 times 9. E plus A is 2 times 25. If we subtract 2A will be 2 times 25 minus 9. So if you divide by 2A will be 16. Okay, so this one will be 16 and this one will be 14. Now, because it's 30, it is 16. E will be what? E minus A is 18. So E is A plus 18, which is 16 plus 18, which is 34. Okay, so E will be 34. Now let's focus on this triangle. 28 squared plus D squared equals G squared. 28 squared plus G squared equals D squared. And, sorry, plus d squared equals g squared. So again, we should do the same thing. 28 squared equals g squared minus d squared, g minus d, g plus d. Again, g minus d and g plus d, both of them even or both of them odd, because plus minus has no effect on parity, evenness. So both of them should be even because odd times odd will be odd. Again, contradiction. Here it is what? It is 2 squared times 14 squared. 14 squared is 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. So the first one is 2 times something, here 2 times something. Again, the difference, we know d is at most what? At most 30, okay? At most 30. The numbers that we want to place here, similarly, should be at most, the difference at most 30. So for example, if you place 298, so it will be bad, because the difference at most 30. If you place 428, sorry, 449, again, it will be bad, the difference, 1414, not possible. The only possible case, 728, okay. So g minus d is 2 times 7, g plus d is 2 times 28. Now, if we subtract 2d equals 2 times 28 minus 7. So if you divide by 2, d equals 28 minus 7, which is 21. Now, g will be what? G is d plus 2 times 7, 14, which is 35. Okay. Now, d 21, g 35. Okay. Now, c will be what? C will be 9, and 9 squared plus 14 squared. 9 squared is 81, 14 squared is 196. 6 plus 1, 7. We have 1. 8 plus 9, 17. Plus 1, 18. 2. Let's check it again. Oh, sorry. Here, when it is 16, the next one is not 14 because it's not 30. It's 12. Okay, let's correct this part. It's 12 and, okay. For f, 12 squared plus 9 squared is 144 plus 81, which is 225. So f squared is 225, so f is 50. Now sum of them is what? 15 plus 35, 40, 50 plus 34, 84. So the answer is choice A. We have also similar problem from SMO, Singapore Mathematical Olympiad, and also AMC. AMC also. Let me tell you another homework from AMC that these things related to lots of similar triangles. Here, not similar triangles, lots of Pythagorean theorem and some problems of AMC, combination of Pythagorean theorems and similar triangles. If you want to know exact homeworks of what, feel free to send message to our WhatsApp number in the description.